Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you purchase iPhone 16 Pro Max. So this video is very important for you. Because of this video, I'll provide you which camera setting you can set and record quality content like capturing some images as well as video. Which setting is the best? We can see step-by-step process on mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply I open here the setting, then enter the general, about us. And here I am using iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can use the same camera setting on Pro as well. After that, here the software update. You need to update iOS 18.2 because of iOS 18.2 are introducing some of the features as well in camera application. Go back. So I enter here and the camera. So here I will explain one by one all features in this video. You can fix this setting and after that you can receive totally different types of experience. Click here the camera control, clean preview. So look at this here, second option, they are introducing iOS 18.2. So light press camera control, quickly make adjustment, double light press to select the controls. This is a disable in your phone, you should enable this one. Here the launch camera, definitely I go with a single click, and here the choose of the body button, extra button they are providing this here. So by default we can go with here, and if you press here body button, so the camera is automatically open, automatically is record, the recording is starting. We can go back, and here photography style is available. So photography style point of view, you can select one of the photo and after that show the continuously. We can go as a standard photography style. If you use a standard, so we can use as a vivid filter as well. So I just skip it there as a standard. Now important setting comes here, then recording. So here recording point of view, bunch of options they are introducing this year. So here the recording the video, so by default I select here 4K 120 frame per second is high efficiency. You can keep it this one. Show PAL format, always on this format. Enhancement, stabilization, activate action mode, lower light, enable HDR video high efficiency, disable this one. Auto frame per second, so I always go 30 and 60 frame per second. Camera lock, white balance, so that one is important. Slow motion point of view, you always select 4K at 120 frame per second, high efficiency without fail. Don't use another one. Record cinematic, here the 4K at 30 frame per second I go with this. And if you use as a during the night time, so you should use PAL because of the blinking light is not coming if you are go with 4K at 25 frame per second and PAL. So I go with always this one if I use daytime. Here recording sound, spectral audio, stereo and mono. Previously we are receiving those two. This year they are providing spectral audio. If you record something in your phone, so look at this here, audio mix feature is available here. So if you are not enable this one, so this spectral or audio mix feature you are not able to see in your camera. Wind noise reduction, you always enable this one and use spectral audio. Go back, and here the format, most important part comes here in the format. If you are using vivid filter, so you use most compatibility. If you click here high efficiency and you click the picture here, for example I click the picture and use here, so here adjustment and vivid filter is not enabled here. So that point of view you always consider as a most compatibility, then click the picture and let's see vivid filter is coming or not. After you clicking the filter, vivid filter option is activate. So always you select most compatibility. Photo mode, by default I always use 24 megapixel. Here ProRAW and resolution control you always enable, and ProRAW default is you should select JPG max up to 48 or ProRAW max up to 48. Both of you can use continuously. Most of time I use in JPG, and here the ProRAW format most compatibility JPG. So go back. If this is a disable, so you always on this one and go with this HDR and log. So I prefer log format. So this is one of the best setting inside the format. Preserve setting point of view, I always enable all the features. Here use volume, always enable, scan QR code always enable, show detected text always enable, grade, live, mirror front of, view outside frame, of course I enable, fusion camera, so you should select here 35mm and capture or record using 35mm, portrait photo mode always on, and rest of features you should enable all this feature. So this is the camera setting. You should use this setting and enjoy. Hope you like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.